All right, guys, here we go. First of a couple back-to-back, and then we have two more still posted. But we'll do Gold Rush Lightning, and then we'll do Bowman, and then we've still got Pop Century and the Gold Rush Football. But this is the last of this Lightning case. It's been solid. So two hits, same format, 10 spots. Pick one team, get two random. That's a one touch. That's usually a good thing. This has been a fun rip. That is a slab. I think that's a BGS slab. Right, we'll do the slab first. PSA slab, actually. It's a Bowman card, I can tell you that. Oh, nice. To the Royals, Bobby Witt Jr. on a, that's a 2020 Bowman draft. Not his first, but paper. Witt Authentic Auto PSA. Let's see. Who got the Royals? Mark Wall. Congrats, man. Nice hit. There we go. Solid. All right. And this one feels like a one touch. Maybe a skinny one though, because it's not super heavy. Ah, to the Blue Jays. That is a Vladdy Donruss Optic rated rookie from 2019. Blue Jays, Blue Jays. Jason, congrats, man. All right, so not bad on either of those. There we go. All right, y'all, that's it. So Witt and Vladdy, not bad. Royals and Blue Jays are the hitters. Congrats, y'all. All right, that's it. That's it for us for all of Lightning. We're done with that one. Give me just a couple minutes. I'll hop off and hop back on, and we'll do Bowman. Thanks, guys. See you in a minute.